Hello and welcome to episode 10. My name is Dr. D and you can learn English with me. All right, we had episode 1, 2, 3 down to number 9 and you have knowledge now. You know about present, about the past, about questions, do, does, did and so on. And this is a typical day. A very normal day, okay? You will remember and you will repeat the present tense and the past tense. Okay, are you ready? Here is the day: 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30, and so on. All right, first, normal. 7 o'clock, get up. 7:30, have a shower. Okay, in the evening, you say, what did you do today? Okay, so normally you say, I get up at 7 o'clock. So the question now is, when did you get up yesterday? Okay, and then you say, I get up at 7:30, at 7 o'clock every day, but yesterday I got up at 8 o'clock. I get up, I got up. You know this opposition, right? Present and past. At 7:30, I usually, normally, have a shower. I usually have a shower. Yesterday, I had a shower at 7:30. I have a shower, I had a shower. At 8 o'clock, I have breakfast, normally. Yesterday, I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. At 8:30, I drive to work, normally. Yesterday, I drove to work at 8:30. This is easy, right? At 9 o'clock, I start work. I normally start work. I usually start work. I always start work. Yesterday, I started work at 9 o'clock. Yesterday, I started work at 9 o'clock. At 10:30, I had a tea break, a short tea break. Normally, I have a short tea break at 10:30. Yesterday, I had a short tea break at 10:30. At 12:30, lunch. I have lunch. I usually have lunch at 12:30. Yesterday I had lunch at 12:30. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I usually finish work at 5 o'clock. Yesterday I finished work at 5 o'clock. At 6:30 in the evening, at 6:30 in the evening, I usually have dinner. Yesterday, I had dinner at 7:30. And in the evening, I usually watch TV. Yesterday, I watched TV. In the evening, I watched TV. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock. Yesterday I went to bed at 11 o'clock. Okay, now listen to this all in the past tense, but a bit more normal, a bit faster, okay? I got up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast at 7:30. I had, I had a shower at 7:30. At 8 o'clock I had breakfast. At 8:30, I drove to work. At 9 o'clock, I started to work. At 10:30, I had a short tea break. At 12:30, I had lunch. At 5 o'clock, I started work. I finished work. At 5 o'clock, I finished work. At 6:30, I had dinner. And in the evening, I watched TV. In the evening, I watched TV. and I went to bed at 11 o'clock. Now, look at the video again and speak after me. You can stop the video and say my sentences. This is enough for episode number 10. See you in episode number 11. Bye-bye from Dr. D.